you an update here on, I think it's called Illuvium ILV. As you can see, guys, this is a very, very strong uptrend. As you can see here, guys, very, very strong uptrend from launch back in early September sort of days, mid-September sort of days. And to be honest, we saw a lot of altcoins and stuff crashing through September, but not this one. No, not today. We actually seen a lot of progression to the upside, looking actually very, very progressive, very healthy uptrend coming through there. We actually see big spikes. We come down, we consolidate, another uptrend, consolidate, uptrend, consolidate, uptrend, probably going to consolidate, uptrend, consolidate. It's looking very, very progressive. And in terms of the fundamentals behind this coin, guys, it's an NFT game that is, I don't think it's quite actually launched yet, but the supply of the coin is actually it's very limited. It's very, very limited. That's why you can see we're already at $1,000. We actually tip past that $1,000 mark at around that 1,048 there. So yeah, it's going to be very interesting to see how high this is going to go for the future, especially when the game launches. So yeah, it's definitely something that I would be looking at for the future there. But in terms of just a general uptrend, just in terms of general TA here, guys, we're looking at trend is your friend scenario there. We're going to ride that until the end, right? We're going to ride that until the end. I would just say, please be prepared for some sort of pullback coming through there, because you can see since launch here, we have gone up considerably. When I say considerably, I'm saying around 138% there, guys. So that's quite a big gain, right? Quite a big gain. We've got a rising wedge channel, rising wedge chart pattern coming through there, and we know about rising wedges, guys. We're probably looking at a nice little cheeky break to the downside. If that is going to come in there, we could be looking at something along the lines of this, right? In terms of a measure move to the downside. Obviously, still speculatively speaking, it's not going to be the end of the world, but it is going to be around a 12.88% move to the downside there, guys. And yeah, to be honest, it's probably the healthiest scenario for ILV right now. Yeah. That's what I would say about that. Now, moving on to the 4 hourly right now. Overall, guys, very, very bullish, what I would say. Very, very bullish. Above all major moving averages. Finding mass levels of support on really the quite minor ones, actually. Not even flirting with the idea of coming down and testing the 55 for quite a significant amount of time, even since back to October, right? So, yeah, looking very, very good in terms of this uptrend. What I would say is minor pullbacks just to be had, probably around to this price action channel, around 945 there. And we know the whole score. You clear $1,000. You clear a very solid mark there. You're going to get quite a few sell-offs, right? That's kind of the narrative for where people would actually be placing take profits if they've been trading this up for quite a while. So yeah, definitely a point to be looking out for there in terms of a bounce point around the volume weighted, around the price action channel here, around that 944 there. But yeah, just in general, guys, this coin is very bullish, very, very bullish on this coin right now. You see a bit of a double bottom chart pattern you can see here as well. Definitely a lovely level of support. So we could actually see us actually return back up to this $1,000 mark fairly shortly, unless we come back down and see the resistance coming through there. But yeah, I would say it's not too bad. Still, overall, as I said, very, very bullish indeed. But yeah, for now, that's going to be your ILV update.